guys, it's Marie with WTI. These reflex balls from Boxerpoint are awesome. So we are not boxers, but it's very important to all of us to stay fit. And we like to do this in different ways and switch up what we do for exercise. These reflex balls are perfect. They come with different levels of difficulty. They are very soft, which is good because when they're coming back at your head, you definitely do not want anything that's super hard. My kids have so much fun, and when they are able to hit the ball multiple times, they just get so excited. We play for hours, as you can see, even when it gets dark outside. It comes with these really cool hand straps. They are really long, so you can really wrap them around and get your hand really good. They are very sturdy, yet soft and comfortable. It comes with this little bag, but it fits everything in it. It has a drawstring, so nothing will come out. I really love that it comes with extra string and even a needle to thread it through very easily. Comes with this pamphlet, which is really helpful. It shows you how to assemble it. So whether you are a boxer and you're trying to improve your skill, or if you are just like us and my family who just want to have a good time, exercise, stay fit, build your hand-eye coordination, and like I said, just have fun. If you are either one of those, this is for you. Boxerpoint did a great job. The quality of this product is amazing, and I would highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.